Hi, this is Shar. So as you can see here, I have some basil plants. And this one is actually my biggest basil plant. It's growing with mint and blueberries. And as you can see, I'm removing leaves that have been damaged by bugs and spiders, because I wouldn't want to eat them. And this is another basil plant planted in a different plant pot that is bolted. I've already collected seeds from this plant. The ones that have turned brown, those are the ones with seeds ready to harvest. This basil plant was also from seed, and it's growing with lemongrass. Seems to be doing okay. And here you see more basil plants. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe. And I have more videos to come. Thanks for watching.